Gotcha. I mean, I'm cool with all the rest of the numbers, man, but this 1999 certification, like, what's that for? I'm not gonna pay that. I don't need it.
Well,
I get it through my insurance. I do not need it.
well, you do not get this through your insurance. And it's not a matter of you needing it or not. You got it, okay? But let me explain to you exactly what it is. The 1999 is to make sure that you're buying a better vehicle. Now, Sean, when you came out looking for a vehicle today, were you looking for a bad vehicle or a better vehicle?
A better vehicle.
Okay, this is a better vehicle. Now, why are you having to pay $19.99 to get a better vehicle? I'm going to explain that to you. Look, see this sheet right here?
Mm-hmm.
See all those little red check marks?
Mm-hmm.
Every one of those check marks could indicate money that we had to spend on this vehicle to get it to the point where we could certify it. Look, you're just not buying a regular used car here, Sean. You're buying a Motor Trend certified vehicle. Now, Motor Trend doesn't charge you, but in order to get it to qualify to become a Motor Trend certified vehicle, we got to do something most dealers don't do. Most dealers put a vehicle through a safety inspection. Does it start? Does it steer? And does it stop? And boom, they're done with it. We can't do that. We got to go through all these things. We average spending about $2,500 to bring this vehicle up to speed. Then we recondition it up to nearly new. Look, do we detail it? Of course we do. That's why it looks so good. We may have to put on brake pads, add tires. We're going to certainly change the oil. We may have to flush the cooling system. We may have to change the transmission fluid. But the bottom line is you are paying for a better vehicle so we can certify it. Because once it becomes certified, all sorts of cool stuff happens for you. Plus, you don't need to worry about what you're paying because I'm going to guarantee the price. When you take delivery today, I'm going to give you 5 days. Search any website you want to. Search independent used car stores. Search new car stores. Search their used car inventories. Search Craigslist. Search them in Georgia, Alabama, the Carolinas. Search them in New Mexico, Idaho. Search them anywhere in this country. Sean, if you find a similar vehicle with the same benefits advertised for a lower price, in writing, we are going to guarantee that we'll cut you a check back for the difference. So that $19.99 is nothing. It's all for you. Now I need your okay right down here so we can get this vehicle ready for delivery.
Wait a minute now.
I got a second baseman here?
Yeah.
Okay, third baseman.
Yeah, and it's your job to have these vehicles up to par and ready to go for the public. Why have to pay for it?
Anthony, that is a terrific question, and a lot of people think that. But fact of the matter is, the only thing required by the state of Georgia when it comes to selling used cars is they go through a safety inspection. And by the way, we're the only group in this entire state that can certify anything we choose to. A certified vehicle, by definition, is a better vehicle, and it's a better vehicle because of everything that has to be fixed or repaired on it. Let me ask you a question, Anthony. I promise you, you can find a vehicle somewhere like this, not too far away, and it's going to be cheaper. And your delight with that cheap price will last about 14 seconds, because as soon as you drive that son of a gun off the lot, guess what happens? You're going to start spending money on it, okay? We spend the money on it here so you won't have to after you take delivery. Do you want to go cheap or you want to go quality?
I want cheap quality.
No such thing, okay?
Okay.
No such thing, Anthony, but I appreciate your question. Now go ahead and okay this so I can get your vehicle ready for delivery. Okay? Hey, look, it's selling. It's selling. I'm under no illusions that it's easy, okay? I get that.